Want to show the repair of a Delta X5 drum sander. I've got it here up on its side. The problem that I had was that this table here was not raising and lowering. When I turned the knob, it would just spin. And I looked online, and a lot of people had basically given up on it because the raising and lowering the tables is controlled primarily by these two gears right here. And Delta does not manufacture these gears. However, I did find that there is a forum on sawmillcreek.org, if you search for, where a gentleman has found a replacement for these two gears, which are, I think you can get in either brass or plastic. And you do have to get a bushing and drill through, but it's a fairly simple repair. But in my case, what I did find was that my shear pin here had snapped off, and I just used an old Allen wrench to basically put in there as sort of a pseudo cotter pin to hold it. But if you do have this drum sander and it's not raising and lowering, don't trash it, because it's a fairly simple procedure to flip it over, take the motor out, which goes right here. You can see the belt. And then take a look. And I looked at mine, and my gears were in good condition, and I just realized that this gear was free spinning, and then took this off and saw that the shear pin had broken, so I put in a replacement. It now works. But just as show you what the underside looks like, and tell you that there is a fairly easy way to replace this and fix this if you're having this problem.